What's your question for Brad Bernstein?
Yeah, please. My question is, I want to file for I-360 for abuse and battered spouse, but my wife went to file for a divorce without even letting me know, and I was so surprised that they just, the divorce has been finalized. He said he couldn't find me, and he had my contact phone and everything. He just went to file divorce without my consent. Can I still file for I-360?
You can file for two things. Number one, you can file an I-360 as a battered spouse as long as it's filed within 2 years of a divorce judgment.
Mm-hmm.
Number two, if you were not served with that divorce decree, you can go to the judge, request what's called a traverse hearing, where they bring in the person who supposedly was served you with the divorce papers, because you have to be personally served with divorce papers, and try to reopen that divorce as well if you choose to.
She never served me with the divorce paper or anything.
Well, then you have the right to reopen that divorce case unless she petitioned the judge to serve you through the newspapers, which I doubt. Most judges really want to see personal service on a divorce. So you can try to reopen the divorce case. Number two, you can, if you're happy you're divorced and you don't care and it's within the 2 years of you filing a battered spouse case, then no harm, no foul. That's up to you.
Okay, I can still file for, that's why the fact that she divorced me, right?
Say
What?
I said I can still file for the I-360, that's why the fact that she
As long as you
already
file
filed for
within
divorce.
2 years of a divorce, you can file the I-360.
Oh, okay. Thank you so much.
All right. All right, no problem. Thanks a lot for listening, man. And spread the word for me. Tell everyone to tune into Brad Bernstein, all right?
Yeah, tune into Brad. God bless you.
God bless you, man. Once again, folks, it is I, Squeeze, here with, of course, Mr. Bernstein. And what's this guy's name again?
Marvin.
Is that Ramon?
No.
No. That's
No.
Marvin, right?
I only make fun of people when they're not here.
Oh.
I would never make fun of anybody in their face.
Oh, wow. Anyway, let's get to another call. Once again, folks, it is what we call the Immigration Link, and it's being listened to around the world. And the amount of listeners that's been listening to us has been increased by so many. And there are now millions of people have the option of reaching us right now.
Right.
How many people have iPhones?
Lots. Or iTouches.
And iTouches.
Right.
iPods.
iPods.
Yeah, there you go.
Soon to be iPads.
And iPads. Many. But we're very happy that we've got you here in the United States helping people. Remember, folks, the consultation fee is only $120. Make that call right now. Once again, it's only $120. Make that call right now. Hello there, and how are you today?
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir. Your name, where you're calling from, and then your question for Mr. Bernstein, the attorney?
Oh, Sean, I'm calling from the city, man. My name.
Gallatin, we say. All right?
Yes.
Don't try to figure that out, Brad. All right. Go ahead. What's your question for Brad?
Mr. Bernstein,
Yes.
my wife, she's a United States citizen. She filed for me, right? November coming, I filed for a 10-year to lift the restrictions. My question is, she didn't file for me. She didn't file for my daughter when she filed for me. Can she file for my daughter now?
As long as you're together, yes.
Okay. So it doesn't require me to have the 10-year, so she can just file straight without me right now, right?
She can file as a stepmother as long as the marriage occurred before the 18th birthday.
Okay, so and I still have to go and do the DNA and all that?
If you're not on the birth certificate, yes.
Okay. You have any idea how long that takes?
How old is she?
She's just 3.
Yeah, you can take a year, a little less than a year.
Uh-huh.
But come see me, especially if you're not on the birth certificate.
Oh yeah, I'm on the birth certificate.
Oh, okay, then no problem.
I would suggest
Okay.
that.
And that wouldn't affect my proceeding that I'm going through right now.
No.
All right. Okay.
All right?
All right. I call and make an appointment.
Yeah, you got the number, right?
Yeah, 1-800 law link, man.
Thanks a lot for helping out the listeners, Bridget. And listener, remember, Sanchez, which you say calling from Manhattan. So make sure you come to the one in Brooklyn or Queens.
Galhattan.
There you go. Queens or the Bronx, all right?
I don't like to say Manhattan.
All right, sir?
All right, madam. All
All
right.
right, cool. All right.
You
So
like to
you
say
got it.
Galhattan.
Yes. Brad is now a Jamaican.
Right.
Converted Jamaican. Hello, caller. Turn your radio down for me. And what is your immigration question? As a lot of folks call Sparn Bernstein on a beautiful Monday that God has given us life. What is your question for Mr. Bernstein?
I have a question for Brad. My husband filed for his son who is in Jamaica. He got his U.S. citizenship after he filed for him before and then got the citizenship after. It's really also on the birth certificate, and we got a notice of action. What do we need to send back to them?
What does the notice of action say?
It needs some documents that they need to be sent
Well,
in?
you would need to bring in the notice of action to me. Let me read the notice of action, and then I'll tell you what to do. They're probably questioning because maybe he was not married to the mother of this child, and therefore he has to prove a paternity as well as prove a child-father relationship. Would be my guess. I don't know, but come in and let me see the notice of action, then I can tell you what to do. Yeah, was it like a 2 or 3 page blue form? Yeah.
Yes,
Okay. Yeah, I know.
it's
Basically,
like
it's 2 things. One, you got to prove paternity. You got to prove that you've had a father-child relationship with that child. Bring it into me, and then I can help you.
All right.